All right, hey, what's up, y'all? So every Monday I'm hoping to do, or most Mondays, an instructional video on how to make the most out of this online community, this amazing online community that we have. And thank you all so much for all your participation. This is going to grow into something really amazing for all of us. So today I want to talk about creating your own recipe. And for this, we would want to do an in-depth article. So when we get into SuperHumans United, this is probably going to be easier from a PC, but you can also do it exactly the same way from your phone. So if we go into SuperHumans United, instead of doing a share what's on your mind quick post, we're going to come up here and do a plus sign and go down to article. And then in this article, we're going to add a title. So today I want to do my sweet potato Gouda sliders because someone had asked about that. Now, once we click into the text area here, we can start to add pictures and videos. So I'm going to go ahead and add a video. And this is the video that I shot that's on YouTube. And what this means when it asks for a video, it's going to ask you for a link. So when it pulls a link from YouTube, it also pulls the thumbnail associated with it. So this is going to imply that when you want to do an instructional video, you'll probably have to upload it somewhere like YouTube, and a YouTube account is free. You don't have to have those videos public. If you're nervous about that, you can make it unlisted, but then you could share the link here in the group. And so now we have a video here. When I click on the video inside the post, I have an option to make it just a little bit smaller in the window, which I kind of like it like that versus full screen, but you can change it any way you want. And then I'm going to click below and start to work in some of my text. So I've pre-typed my text and I can type it in here, and I'm just going to highlight most of it and come in here and copy and paste it. All right, so I have a little note here. Now once I have some text in here, I can start to format it by highlighting it, and I can bold it, I can header it, I can do all kinds of cool stuff with it. So if I want to make we'll come down here and show you how to do some bullets. So first of all, when I do the ingredients, I want to make that slightly bigger as a header. So header, there's three options, H1, H2, H3. When I click on H1, now it's H1, that's really big. H2 is slightly smaller. I like the H3 size. And then when I come down to these bullet point list of ingredients, I'm going to highlight all these ingredients. And now that I highlight them, my options come up again. I'm going to hit the bullet format. And then I can also hit the bullet format again and get a number format. Or I can hit that again and come out of it. All right, so while it's highlighted, again, I'm going to hit bullets. So now I've got my ingredients here. And then I've got the instructions. So again, I want a H3. And then I'm going to come down, highlight the text here, the steps. I'm going to hit bullet. And then here's my instructions on how to layer the slider. I'm going to do an H3 again. And then I'm going to highlight for the bullets here. All right. So we can add multiple pictures in here. So let's say that I did a picture and I wanted to add my sweet potatoes. Once I add that picture in here, I can actually do the same thing full width, standard width. I can do it to the right of text, to the left of text, and it's pretty flexible. All right, and then I come down here and say I want to add another picture, just to make things look cool. I can add another picture. My ingredients, my ground beef and my pork. All right. Then I want to do a final picture maybe, all right? So sometimes you won't see this little plus sign pop up, so you just need to do a little formatting deal to come out of it. There we go. And now I'm going to do a picture, and I'm going to add the finishing picture. Which one looks better? I think that one looks better. All right. And then when I click on the image, again, I have the formatting options. I like the standard width myself. So your challenge this week is going to be to come into SuperHuman. Oh, by the way, when you go to post, all right, let's say we go to post here. It's going to ask you for a topic. Now, obviously, this is a recipe. So we can associate real food and nutrition, or we can do recipes. We want to put this in the recipes category. All right? And that's about all we got to do. All right, you don't have to notify people, but this is in the group now. It will pop up in the feed. And your challenge this week is to create a recipe. Do it super simple. All right, don't make it too complicated. I know sometimes going into these assignment type things, we kind of make a bigger deal of it than it is. Just take a picture of a meal and post the ingredients and how you did it. And for every person that does that, I'm going to give you a bottle of essential oil. Okay, so either lemon or maybe wild orange. All right, we will talk to you guys soon.